So how you convert this default shop page into a filterable gallery? Let me show you how I do it. Go to the plugin page, click Add Plugin, search for author Pluximo. Install Activate Filterable Post Gallery. At this moment it supports posts and products in free version. Pro version has more options. Now create a new page for your gallery. I will name it New Shop. And we will choose Filterable Post Gallery. Now we need to select the source, so it should be Product. Product category will be the filter. And that's it. Click Publish, you will get a nice product gallery. To get a better idea, let's see how it pulled data from backend. So on a randomly refresh, you will see this type of files pulled from server, but wherever you use this plug, it will once load the image, and then how many times you refresh, there will be no request to backend. So this is very good for high traffic sites. Let's see how we can customize these filters and everything. If you click on the product link, it directs to you the product page. Customer can explore your shop without putting load on server during campaign time and buy what they need. So this is how I create galleries. Let me know how you do it. Thanks for watching.